Good morning, kids. Look at the calendar here.
Tomorrow is March 8th. It is a very special day.
What is March 8th, Dad? Is it a holiday?
It is International Women's Day, a day to celebrate women.
Women's Day? Is it a special day for our mom?
Yes, Mia. We celebrate Mom. She works very hard every day.
Mom is great. She cleans the house and washes our clothes. She cooks yummy food. She reads me bedtime stories every night.
That is right. Mom loves us very much.
We must say thank you. Let us buy her a big and expensive present.
A big present is nice, but a gift from the heart is much better.
What is a gift from the heart, Dad? I do not know.
It means we do things to help her. We use our hands to show love.
I understand. I am strong. I can clean the living room floor. I can draw a beautiful picture. I will draw many red flowers.
Wonderful! We are a great team!
And we will bake a cake together.
Here is the kitchen. Mom is out shopping. We have 2 hours.
First, we must wash our hands. Clean hands make safe food. I wash my hands too. Health is very important for our family.
We need flour, sugar, and eggs. Let us make a sweet chocolate cake.
I have the egg. It is very fragile. I must be very careful. Oops, I dropped a piece of shell.
Making mistakes is normal.
Do not worry, Dad. I can fix it. We always help each other. I pour the white flour. It looks like soft snow in winter. I mix the batter.
Mix.
Mix.
Teamwork makes the job easy.
Now, into the oven it goes. We have to wait for 30 minutes.
Waiting is hard, but good things take time. I will be patient.
You are a very patient girl, Mia. While we wait, let us do the other tasks.
I will go clean the living room now. Dust has nowhere to hide. And I will draw my picture at the table. A beautiful picture for Mom. I sweep the floor. I want the house to be very clean for Mom. I push the dust away. Clean floor is nice to walk on.
I wipe the table.
It is shiny now.
Hard work is very good.
I am at the table. I will draw a beautiful picture for my mom. I draw a big red heart. Red is a warm color. It means love. I draw a yellow sun. Mom is like the bright sun for our family.
Your drawing is lovely, Mia. A handmade gift is the most special gift.
Really, Dad? I do not have money to buy a present, so I draw.
Money cannot buy true love. Time and effort are the best presents you give. Listen, did you hear that? The oven timer is ringing. The cake is baked.
Wow! The kitchen smells sweet like chocolate! I am so hungry!
Stand back, kids. The oven is very hot. We must avoid getting burned.
Here is the cake. But we cannot decorate it yet. It is too hot.
If we put cream on a hot cake, The cream will melt away.
That is right, Mia. We must wait. Good things come to those who wait.
Tick-tock, tick-tock. Time passes. The cake is getting cool now.
The cake is cool. I spread the white vanilla cream on top slowly.
I put the red strawberries in a circle. It looks like a bright crown. And one big strawberry in the middle. Mom is the center of our family.
I write the word mom.
M-O-M.
Our beautiful cake is finished.
I bring the cake to the table. I walk slowly so I do not drop it. Yay! I put my picture here. Mom will see the red heart first.
Quiet. Someone is unlocking the front door. Mom is finally home. Quick, kids. Hide behind the sofa. Do not make a single sound.
Mom! I am hiding. My heart is beating so fast. This is very exciting.
Hello? Is anyone home? The supermarket was very busy today. Wow! The floor is so clean. There are no toys around. What happened? And I smell something sweet. It smells like fresh chocolate and vanilla cream.
Surprise!
Happy International Women's Day to the best woman in the world!
Oh my goodness! You surprised me! I cannot believe this!
Happy Women's Day, Mom! I swept the floor and wiped the table for you.
Thank you, Jack. You are such a helpful and kind boy. I am so proud.
This card is for you, Mommy. I drew a big red heart because I love you.
It is the most beautiful drawing I have ever seen. Thank you, my sweet girl.
And we baked this cake together as a team.
Just for you, my dear.
You baked a cake? It looks absolutely perfect. I am so lucky to have you all.
Now, let us sit down and enjoy the cake. Today, Mom does not have to do any work.
I will cut the cake. Who wants a piece with a big red strawberry?
I do. I love strawberries and chocolate. My mouth is watering. Yummy. It is so sweet and soft. We are great bakers.
You have cream on your nose, silly girl. The cake is indeed very delicious.
We made Mom very happy today. But we must remember an important lesson.
What is the lesson, Dad? I am listening carefully.
Women's Day is only one day a year, but Mom takes care of us every single day. We should not wait for a holiday to help her. We must help her every day.
You are right, Dad. I will sweep the floor every weekend from now on. And I will put my toys away every night. I will be a good helper.
Hearing you say that is the greatest gift of all. I love you both so much.
A family is a team. We support each other, respect each other, and love each other always.
Thank you for making today so special. My heart is completely full of joy.